The bong here. So in today's video guys, we have this fruit picking right here. It's very useful for your server. So you just have to press E and then it will click an apple, and of course you do have a lot of choices here, and of course these scripts already have a market where you can sell the product. So first up, in the installation guide, you will say that it will require stevolib, oxlib, and your framework. So actually it is outdated, which indicates here a 1.6.8. So it's very outdated. As you can see here, the stevolib is already 1.7.2. So you have to download this one by clicking the latest and then source code. Alright, once you've downloaded that, we have to download the main script, which is the fruit picking. Of course, there is a latest version, which is 3 weeks ago. We have to click this one and then source code and then download this. Of course, we have to open our folder, the download folder, and your resource. There we go. So mine is located at ESX resources, and this is it. So I want every scripts to be organized, so I have to create a new folder, and we have to always open bracket and then let's type stevo and then close. There we go. And in here we have to use WinRAR to open this one. Then we have to drag and drop this to our resources, and then stevolib, which is this one, then we have to drag and drop as well. Now I will eliminate the numbers right here. Actually it's the version, I guess. Yes, it is. And there we go. Now last thing we need to do, the next thing we need to do is we have to open the server CFG. So this is the server CFG that I'm using in TX, but you can also open it using here, server and then ESX, and here we go. You see this server right here, you have to open this one, and then this is it. It's just the same. So I will be using TX. Then you have to scroll down the lowest portion, and then we have to ensure this one. We will be adding the scripts right here. There we go. First up, you have to ensure stevolib, and then next is the stevo fruit picking. Make sure that stevolib is always at the first, and then of course we added this new folder right here. Of course it will not read if we do not add this into our server CFG, so we have to copy this one, then we click we add ensure here, and F2 and copy this one and paste it right here. Then we have to save this, and if your server is running, you have to restart the server first. But we forgot, I forgot that we have to open this stevo fruit picking, and then there is an images right here. We have to copy this to add an image to your inventory. So we go back to our resources and then OX, and there we go. We have to find the OX inventory, then we add it to web and images. So we have to paste it right here. So I actually added it already. We have to replace the destinations. That's it. Then next thing is, don't forget to add the item. So you have to go to OX inventory, data, and the items. And there we go. And let's go back to the documentations right here. We have to click this and installation and items, and there we go. If you're using OX inventory, you have to copy this one, and if you are using QB inventory, you have to copy this one as well. So we're using OX inventory, we have to copy this. And then let's go back here at OX inventory. As you can see guys, OX inventory, data, and items. Then scroll down below and you will see I already added it here. There we go. So this is it. I will redo it so that you know, you have to paste it right here. Alright, and then save this one. Then I think you're good to go. You have to just restart your server. Yes, we have to restart our server. And there we go. Alright, let's see. We don't have any problems. Yep, because stevo is already here at the top of fruit picking. Then let's open our server and see if it works correctly. And as you can see guys, if the scripts is running correctly, you will see this right here. It's a pumpkin patch and pineapple orchard. There we go. We just have to go to press E. And there we go. I think you're done. There is a selling point here. Yeah. And what we have here, we have apple, so we are going to sell it right here. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Babushka.